Well, Nathan, coming here to win was always the priority, but is that a night that perhaps should have been a bit more comfortable for Wales?
Yeah, I mean, we had plenty of chances. It was just one of them days that it wasn't really falling to us. But obviously, we scored and then it got disallowed. But we're creating chances, and that's the main thing.
Yeah, you say it didn't really fall for you on the day. Why do you think that was this evening?
Yeah, obviously how they play as a low block is difficult. Even if it was mannequins, do you know what I mean? It's tough. It's tough. But yeah, we won at the end of the day, so 3 points on the board.
You did get the ball in the back of the net. It was disallowed, unfortunately. Just your thoughts on the decision?
Yeah, I didn't know what it was for. I don't know if it was offside or a foul, but yeah, it is what it is. But hopefully we can get a goal next game.
On a personal note, Nathan, back in that starting 11 for quite a while as well. Just how much did that mean to you to get the nod tonight?
Yeah, I enjoyed out there today. Getting on the ball and dominating possession, and that's how I want to play. So yeah, I enjoyed it.
Like I mentioned, 3 points was always the priority. One last huge game to come now on Tuesday night against North Macedonia. How confident are you that you can get the 3 points needed to finish second?
Yeah, the way that we play, we have confidence, and hopefully we can get 3 points and the fans turn up and support us.
Nathan, diolch, thank you.
Thank you.